look at some specific hormones in the endocrine system. One hormone is thyroxine. Thyroxine is the main hormone secreted by the thyroid gland, which is found in our necks. Thyroxine increases the basal metabolic rate. So this is the metabolic rate or the reaction rate when we are resting. So, thyroxine is responsible for regulating the growth and brain development in young animals, is one purpose it has. And its production is regulated by a negative feedback loop. This allows the body to maintain a fairly constant concentration of thyroxine in the blood. When the concentration of thyroid hormones, such as thyroxine, in the blood is low, the production of thyroid-stimulating hormone, also known as TSH, is increased. This stimulates the secretion of thyroxine by the thyroid gland. When the concentration of thyroid hormones in the blood is high, the TSH production is decreased. So the mechanism which regulates the production of thyroxine is known as negative feedback. And thyroxine is secreted by the thyroid gland. So only one gland releases thyroxine, and this is known as the thyroid gland. Adrenaline is another hormone. Adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal glands. There are two of these above each kidney. There are several functions of adrenaline. In the lungs, adrenaline enlarges the air passages of the lungs and alters metabolism in order to boost the delivery of oxygen and glucose to the brain and the muscles. Adrenaline also increases heart rate and blood pressure and dilates the pupils in our eyes, so that means the pupils will get wider. It's also responsible for the fight or flight response. In times of fear or stress, adrenaline is part of the so-called fight or flight response, which prepares the body to move and think quickly in response to danger. So which areas of the body does adrenaline work? It works in the brain, the heart, the muscles, the lungs, the pupils, and the blood. So you can see it's got a large distribution and can affect lots of different areas. To recap, the responses that adrenaline causes are the dilation of pupils, the enlargement of air passages, and the increase of heart rate.